guys, and welcome back to my channel after such a long time. So I have been trying to make a comeback on YouTube from really long time. Like, I had some pre-shot videos, but it was just not fun to edit them and upload them because it wasn't just real time. So yeah, I did have few vlogs and few videos shot for some time, but bas upload kar hi nahi pai. So my cousin suggested to shoot a new video and start from scratch, editing and uploading it, and whenever you would require that all the data that you have already made, you can edit that and upload it side by side. So that is what I'm going to do. So yeah, today is Tuesday, and today I want to share with you a 2-minute Tuesday video. I know you guys really love this concept. Today I want to discuss with you gua sha. Now, gua sha is something that is absolutely new to me as well, but I have read a lot about gua sha before giving into it. So lockdown had been really hard on all of us in 2020, and there are few practices that I want to include in my lifestyle, starting from meditation, journaling to this gua sha technique, which is the internal detoxification of the skin. So that is something that I'm really looking forward to. And when I wanted to give gua sha a start, there is no better place to buy your tool than YBP. I have been following their journey from the scratch, and I know how genuine, honest, and how amazing their products are. I have used their makeup perfector, and I know they put their heart and soul into all of their products, and they are something that I can trust with my eyes closed. So yeah, I ordered a gua sha and a facial oil. It is a plant remedy from their website, and today I want to share how I do my gua sha technique and what are the benefits of gua sha. I'm just going to introduce you to the concept of gua sha, let you know where you can buy it from and how you can do it and how you can give it a start. So yeah, the place that you can buy the gua sha from is YBP. I will be linking their website in the description bar below, so you can go and check them out. They have a very active Instagram page where they share all the benefits, disadvantages, and they even clear your queries, so you can go and contact them on their Instagram as well. And this is the gua sha. So it came nicely packed in this package. So yeah, since it's 2-minute video, I will try and explain the gua sha process in the 2 minutes, its benefits and how I do it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Let's put 2 minutes on the clock and let's get started. So this is the amethyst gua sha that I ordered. Their website have a lot of gua sha. These are the various crystals available on their website. So whatever appeals to you, order that. You can read their description. You can read what crystal is for what. And according to Payal, who is the owner of YBP, suggests that whatever crystal appeals to you, just go for it, because every gua sha is the same. It does the same things. So whatever you find is suiting your personality, just go for it. So I ordered this one. This is the amethyst gua sha, which came in this very nice packaging. I ordered this plant remedy along with it. You have to moisturize your face really well before you go ahead and apply the gua sha technique. So I ordered this plant remedy along with my gua sha, and I also got these 2 cards along with the gua sha. So one is this authenticity certificate, so you know your crystal is 100% genuine if you get this authenticity certificate. So I know my crystal is genuine. Next is this card that explains the gua sha and the benefits of gua sha and other things. So what it says is, amethyst is associated with our 7th chakra, also known as crown chakra. Its healing properties are absolutely divine and works towards clearing any kind of blockage that is holding us back spiritually and emotionally. So what gua sha actually does is, it promotes the healthy lymphatic drainage, which is crucial to release extra fluids and toxins from the body. So it is basically the internal detoxification of your skin. It is going to remove waste from lymphatic glands. You can search a little about that on Google as well. It also encourages healthy blood circulation and hence brings fresh oxygen to the surface of your skin, which will make your skin look very healthy, plumped and alive. Third, it helps calm nervous system and reduces anxiety, stress, internal inflammation, which is mainly caused due to poor immune system. So these are the 3 benefits of gua sha, and there are a few things I would like to suggest in the beginning. First, do your gua sha ritual as a very consistent holy ritual. Just sit down peacefully and do it. Give your 10 minutes don't think about anything else, and then follow this gua sha ritual. It's a practice that you follow. It's just not any chemical product that you apply on your face. So this is something that Payal suggests, and this is something that's going to make you very calm and very peaceful. So do it when you are alone, peaceful, play some good music and do your gua sha for like good 10 minutes, and always sit down and do it, because you have to make your face very greasy, like you have to apply a lot of moisturizer before you carry on your gua sha. You don't have to keep your face dry at all. It should be heavily moisturized. So just sit down and do it, because your gua sha can get slippery because of that. You don't want to break your gua sha, so just sit down and do it. And next, I am following few very basic steps which I have read on their website and on their Instagram page. My technique might improve in some time, so I will share a detailed video. If you would like me to, let me know that in comments below. And yes, let's get into how I do my gua sha. So the first thing that you need to do is remove all the gunk from your face. Use a makeup remover to wipe off all the makeup and a face wash to clean your face completely. Now sit down in a super relaxed position in super comfortable cotton clothes. Make sure your t-shirt is loosey, not tight clothes, and then use your favorite moisturizer to moisturize your face. Now I am using the Plant Remedy Exiliar from YBP itself and applying it generously on my face. You can use any moisturizer that you have or any facial oil that you have. The trick is to make your face really greasy and heavily moisturized so that you can swipe your gua sha very nicely on your face. Dry skin will make this gua sha technique work in an opposite manner, so make sure that your face is completely moisturized. Now take your crystal and with a very light hand, like you want to put light to medium pressure, start with very small strokes over your neck. The first thing that you want to go on to is your neck. Once you drain your neck, then you have to go over your face. So with a very short strokes and soft and medium pressure, just do as it is shown in the video. I will be linking few other videos in which the technique is explained in detail in the description bar below, so you can check them out to further gain your knowledge. But once your neck is done, then move your crystal or your gua sha over your face. Now you have to adjust your gua sha in a way that it fits your face. So just make sure that you do it in a very soft strokes. Stretch your face a little and then just slightly massage it off. One more point to keep in mind is you have to place your gua sha flat on your skin. So it shouldn't be pointing, it should be a little flat on your skin, and then you have to do this practice. Do it for good 10 minutes and free your mind from any thought. Play some soothing, relaxing music. Be very gentle with your under eye area with a very soft light pressure, and do it on both the sides of your face, and just take it as a very nice meditative technique to release your skin from any toxic that is stored inside them. After your face is done, move on to your forehead. The main benefit of gua sha is also removing fine lines. So you get those angry lines and smile lines on your face. Slowly and steadily it will reduce those lines as well. So just remove the tension from your face, and then with slow soft strokes do your gua sha technique. This will help in good oxygen flow and circulation and will make your skin beautiful from inside out. So that is actually the main objective of doing gua sha. Removing all the toxins and fluids from beneath your skin and clearing your skin from the inside. So yeah, you can also record these sessions to see a before and after in a gap of 15 days. And yeah, this is so soothing and it's done. This is how, if you want to start with gua sha, you can go about it. So yeah, this was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this little video, and let me know if you have any other questions or queries regarding the same. I will try to answer with whatever information I have. So yeah, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.